Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, also known as Simply Shell, and today I will be doing a NYX fall lip color try on haul for you guys. And I'm so excited because I have never done any type of makeup or any type of try on hauls on my channel, actually, now that I think of it. So yeah, I'm trying to bring you guys some different type of content, but when it comes to makeup, your girl's real basic. I don't really know how to do it. I wish I did know how to beat my face. So if some of you ladies are out there and you know how to beat your face, send me some pointers because your girl's trying to get the skin right. For now, I'm just gonna stick to the basics, and I'm big on lip glosses. I'm big on lippies, and I love, 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 love the matte lipsticks. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks when it's dry on my lips. I don't really care for lipsticks that leave the shiny glossy look unless I'm wearing a gloss like I have on right now. So I went to Walmart, and of course NYX is one of my favorite brands. I like NYX a lot. I also like L'Oreal. There's so many different brands out there, but this is the one that caught my eye, and they have so many different shades of the Suede matte lip color. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a shot. I feel like this would be perfect because it's fall, and when I look for lipsticks, I kind of go for colors that match my skin tone. I always like to go for like really, not really too much nude, but more natural going colors that you can kind of wear with anything. And if you're somebody like me who's just plain Jane, all you need to do is put a little bit of lipstick on, and I'm telling you, that can make a whole difference in your outfit, your look, your hair, everything. It just brings out your face just a little bit more. So I went to Walmart, like I said, and I picked out a couple of shades of the NYX Suede matte lipsticks. And then I picked out two different liquid NYX lip color because I just want to compare it to my lips. And then I was supposed to leave the aisle, but then I ran across a L'Oreal matte lip crayon, and I haven't really tried any of those on my lips. So I'm excited to do it today on the camera with you guys, and hopefully you guys give me good feedback. And you know, if you have the same complexion as me or similar to me, then you will know what you like, what you don't like, what will work, what won't work, because we all have, you know, different preferences. So that's basically what we're going to be doing today. So if you like this video and you want me to do more, you know, try on hauls, whether it's clothes, whether it's makeup, feel free to leave your comments down below, your suggestions. I'm open to whatever, and let's jump right into the video.